We're back to open another MiniVerse Make It Mini food. This is the Cafe Series 1. We're still on a good streak with no duplicates. And we have about, I think, half of them now. We did get these from Target. They're $6.99 there. I think that's the same price as Walmart because it was like $7 with some tax when we got them there. And then you could get them on Amazon too. It's about $1, maybe $2 more on Amazon. But I've ordered them all different ways. All right, have one more little layer here, and then we'll see what we get. Which one do you hope we get, Raylan?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I would just get like I knew.
Yeah, I like the drinks, like the refreshers. I'm hoping for a berry refresher.
A berry refresher?
Yeah, that one looks cool.
Yeah, that's probably 20%.
Oh, we may have just got that actually, because we have some berries.
We got it, Mom. We got it.
We got the
And
berry
we got
salad.
the cup.
Yeah, we got
Definitely
the cup.
not a salad.
Yeah.
And you can
Let's
also
see, what else?
open the little lid. It's very cute.
Should have some ice. Yeah. Awesome. Tongs.
This is an awesome box.
Should be a straw.
Come on, straw.
Yep.
Blue straw.
And our resin, which is a pretty purple color. We did get the berry refresher, which is what I was hoping for. Another new one for us. Looks like you just add everything in, mix it, and put it in the sun. So let's take the lid off. Start adding our juice.
Juicy boosty.
Yeah, I love that color. It's a nice pink color.
Ooh, that's beautiful.
And this container is very easy to squeeze. A lot of them, like the milk jugs and stuff, they're really hard to squeeze, but this one, because of the shape of it, it's a lot easier. So I'm gonna put the lid on so I can sit upside down while I add some of the other stuff.
Yeah, let's bury it.
Okay, let's add some berries. If I can open it. Those are so cute, and everything is so detailed. They have the little bumps on it from the raspberries, or blackberries, whatever they're supposed to be. Cut this open.
Raspberries and blueberries.
No, it's just raspberries in here.
Oh.
Ice cubes.
Then I added one more raspberry.
And I'm going to take the straw and kind of mix that around. Push the berries down up against the glass so you can see them real well. Add some more berries. I think that looks pretty good. It's not all gonna fit in here. Make sure I like it. And then can probably add some more resin on there. Should we add more ice cubes or save them? Maybe just a couple at the top like that. Oh, that's a lot. So pretty. Just gonna add a touch over here. And then put the lid on. I'm gonna wipe that. Here's what it looks like all set. I love this one. So cute. If you want to see what we got in the rest, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned.